नमस्कार।
मी कंदरी की वंदनमु।
जय स्वामी नारायण।
जय श्री कृष्ण।
जय जनेन्द्र।
हमारे स्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते हैं याली मदद।
मोलाली मदद बोलते हैं सारे फीजी बंदर को बोलेंगे नीसा बोला बटजन। हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा मैसेफ आलतू बाबा
एंड ऑफ कोर्स माई सेल्फ आलतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम दैट्स गोना मेक योर फ्राइडे वाली शाम थोड़ी और एक्साइटिंग और थोड़ी और मसाली बन जाए।
True that, Bandajan. This is the only show which is totally multi-level entertainment, Bandajan. आप believe नहीं करोगे अगर आपको देखना कि कितने level का entertainment यहाँ पे चल रहा है, Bandajan. It is truly is a multi-level entertainment happening on the Pam Pam show, right, Faltrani? And yes, if you want to see it, you can actually, well, you can listen to it, you can believe it, of course. High quality voice and सबको आते हैं यहाँ पे, गाने भी अच्छे high quality के होते हैं. But multi-level entertainment का मतलब होता है कि Bandajan different levels में entertainment होती है हमारे यहाँ पे. Go to facebook.com/heredity so you can actually see the different levels एंटरटेनमेंट में वो एक लेवल तो होता है एकदम टॉप लेवल टॉप टियर सेकंड फ्लोर में से और एक और लेवल होता है ग्राउंड फ्लोर में से पहुंच जाते हैं। तो बंदरे हमारे बंधु लोग वेट कर रहे हैं बेसब्री से कि आज हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं। भाई दीपा जी क्या बोल रहे हैं आप, कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं? क्वेश्चन स्पेसिफिकली फातरानी। दीपा जी आपका क्वेश्चन का जवाब हम बाद में देंगे, लेकिन अभी के लिए ये सुनिए फातरानी से कि आज का हमारा शो का थीम क्या होगा।
आज बहुत ही सिंपल थीम है आलतू बाबा।
Oh, please, pray tell.
क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत सारे ऐसे कितने कितने फिलोसफिकल कितने फंडे वाले थीम लेकर आते हैं।
Yes, yes.
राइट तो आज एक सिंपल सा थीम करेंगे जहाँ पे लोगों को इतना सिंपल नहीं होएगा।
हाँ
क्योंकि how many times have you actually, I'm not so good at it, but some people are really really good at it. You listen to the first जो opening music है या first strum of the guitar, and then you can figure out right away कि गाना कौन सा है।
Correct.
Right?
ऐसे बहुत सारे मेधावी लोग हैं यहाँ पे। Yes.
हाँ
तो
जो उसके लिए काफी observant होना चाहिए या you should have good sound memory. What do you call when I talk about memory, I'm talking about you should have to be able to extrapolate that.
केल्वी ज्ञान बोलते हैं उसको, मतलब श्रवण का ज्ञान होता है ना, वो वाला ना बोल रही है ना, तो नॉलेज ऑफ हियरिंग, राइट? एंड ऑफ कोर्स क्लीन ईयर्स चाहिए उनको। दे शुड बी एबल टू क्लीन द ईयर्स एज ऑफन एज पॉसिबल, right, Fatrani?
Yeah.
And yes, but so yeah, very good. So we gonna play the beginning bit of a song. Ask about us what song it is.
Yeah.
Okay, now beginning bit can also be a hum, could be a ho 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 ho, or could be a ha ha ha, could be a ho ho ho. Merry Christmas Day. I'm not talking about that. I only have Hindi songs, by the way. Yeah, and some people are claiming on Facebook that they actually are very good at this.
Oh, really?
देखते हैं शेर दिल बनो, यहाँ पे कॉल करो, चैलेंज ऑन एयर लो। यस, नंबर टू कॉल हियर 4089122479 4089122479। So Fadrani, do we have the first challenge for our bandus?
Yes, Alta Baba, we do.
Very good.
We're going to start with the Dhamakedar song.
Dhamakedar song. Are you going to give a sample for our bandus or just regularly first challenge
No,
itself?
let's go to the challenge.
क्या बात है, but just start dialing in 4089122479।
You want to do a sample?
नहीं,
I can give a sample if you want.
Okay, दे दो।
Okay, it's very simple, right? Very simple. जो तुम guess कर सकते हो।
अरे मेरे लिए सब कुछ सिंपल होता है फालतू नहीं, because you know, right? द्रोणाचार्य, you all the.
Oh God, you! I shouldn't have given.
You walked into it.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not. So here you go, Banjar. ये गाना सुनिएगा और आप बताइएगा कि I'm playing the beginning bit of the song, okay? हाँ तो this is मिसाइल के तौर पे, okay?
Bas enough, Fatrani, enough. You was just that first 1 second, half a second of wow. I know what song it is.
Yeah, wow, that sounded like a cat outside.
That's, well, cat outside is in your mind, Fatrani. The cat outside is in your mind right now. But I know what song it is, Fatrani.
Okay, what is it?
So, Banjana ko batao, why don't you play a few seconds of how you play for them so they
Here
know,
you go.
right?
तो ये bit हम आपके लिए बजाएंगे and you have to identify what song that is, okay? Here you go.
उतना काफी है मेरे लिए फातरा।
तू ना विलन की तरह हंस रहा है आजकल।
आजकल नहीं, तेरे दिमाग में सब जो
से मेरे को टोटल विलन एक्चुअली आजकल विलन की तरह बिहेव भी करता है आलतू बाबा।
Of course, फातरा नहीं। There's nobody a hero out here. Everybody is a villain in everybody else's life. सब लोग अपने स्टोरी के हीरो होते हैं फालतूवाड़ी,
हाँ।
दूसरों के पर्सपेक्टिव में कुछ और ही होता है।
विलन होते हैं, हाँ।
तो फालतूवाड़ी,
हाँ।
तो वेरी सिंपल यार।
हाँ, बोल।
दैट सॉन्ग इज ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, तो क्या बोलते हैं फालतूवाड़ी? वाज इट द राइट आंसर?
Yes, it was the right answer. Why is my face looking yellow?
हाँ, because you're dirty fellow.
Oh,
Fatality, why don't you please tell our people that the answer was right?
that answer is absolutely right.
Wasn't I good?
It's so simple, actually.
What?
Yeah, the answer is so simple.
Hello, excuse me.
Ah,
You think it is simple because you know the answer.
okay.
People like us and all, we didn't know the answer, but we know the answer anyways.
Right.
So Fatality, how about the next challenge? I think our bandus are daring to go. Like, oh, this is so easy, I'll do it again.
Okay.
So,
So,
challenge दे दे और गाना लगा देंगे हम लोग.
this is a very, very good song. I
Good
like
song?
very much.
Good song, or is
Yes.
it a nice song which we can guess it?
It's a very nice song.
Okay, people, please don't post on Facebook. You'll start having gastric problem.
No posting on Facebook.
Yeah.
You can post. Actually, you can post, but you have to also call. Okay,
Yeah, you
Deepa,
can-
Meenakshi ji,
yes,
Urmilda, to all of you,
Yeah.
it's time for you to pick up the phone and give us a call. It's not fair.
Yeah.
See, we don't get to listen to you. We don't get to talk to you. You get to listen to our voice. You get to see us every single day. हमें थोड़ा ना वो मौका मिलता है.
ये सरासर नाइंसाफी है फालतू में.
हाँ, तो गलती हुई ना यहाँ पे कि अगर आप यहाँ पे कॉल नहीं करोगे तो हमें कैसे लगेगा कि पीपल आजकल का जमाना ऐसे हो गया आलतू बाबा.
बोलो
फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे बैठ के बच्चा अपने मम्मी को टेक्स्ट करता है फूड रेडी
Oh.
एंड मम्मी टेक्स्ट करती है यस कम डाउन एंड ईट.
So sweet.
So and then it's like everything is texting. Come on, you won't even. People prefer to text as opposed to talk.
Do you know how to fix that, Faldrani?
How, Altu
Very
Baba?
simple.
Break the phones in the house.
No, next time the son texts or child texts the mother, Mom, is food ready? Yes, honey, sending it to you right now. And send the image of the photograph.
Yeah, that's true actually.
See, there's always
No,
solution.
but I'm saying it's both
Faldrani,
ways.
गुस्सा थूक के तुम अगर ठंडी दिमाग सोचेगी ना सबके लिए तेरे को मिल जाएगा.
अबे गुस्सा किसको है?
गुस्सा किसको नहीं है, मतलब किसको नहीं है बताओ गुस्सा.
हाँ.
गुस्सा किसको नहीं है, सबको है.
हाँ,
गुस्सा थूक दो बनुजन.
तो इसीलिए हम लोग बोल रहे हैं फेसबुक पे टेक्सटिंग छोड़ो, यहाँ पे कॉल करो 408-912-2479.
हेलो नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के फिगर आउट द गाना फ्राइडेज में. हुज दिस?
हेलो पैम पैम.
Hey!
हाँ दीपा जी
दीपा
कैसे
मैम।
हैं? अरे वेरी गुड यार, क्वेश्चन ऐसे पहले कॉल कर रही है.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
मतलब शी स्टार्ट टू चैलेंज, शी इज चैलेंजिंग, शी सेइंग आई
I
नो.
like challenges.
Oh,
और
very
ये
good.
मेरा फेवरेट चैलेंज है. मैं खुद से करती हूँ घर में, मुझे अच्छा लगता है वो.
हाँ 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 हाँ
अच्छा?
हाँ हाँ.
Oh, she does it for her. She challenges. तो कैसे दीपा? You'll
Yeah,
say,
so I-
Alexa,
the
play
other
this,
day,
and then you'll say, हाँ, this.
मैं चेतना को बोल रही थी play the song and I will tell टाइमर लगाते हैं 1 मिनट में कितना मैं I can
Oh,
recognize.
मतलब आप उनमें यू आर लाइक मिल्का सिंह, ऑलवेज प्रैक्टिसिंग, हैं?
अरे नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
come
Because
on.
I play the रेडियो में रैंडम सॉन्ग्स बजते हैं ना. I don't know playlist.
हम ऑलवेज रैंडम सॉन्ग लगाते हैं, आपको स्पेसिफिक सॉन्ग कभी लगाते नहीं हैं हम लोग. तो आर यू रेडी
Yes.
फॉर अ चैलेंज राइट नाउ?
Yes.
ओके, गौर से सुनिएगा ये.
I hope I can.
No, don't worry. We have made sure that we'll make it very fair and make it difficult for you. Okay, here you go. This is a song you'll have to figure out. Okay, here
Okay,
you go.
here you go.
हाँ.
हाँ,
चढ़ती जवानी.
गा के सुनाना पड़ेगा
गा के
darling.
सुना पड़ेगा बाय डियर.
चढ़ती जवानी मेरी चाल मस्तानी, तूने कदर नहीं जानी रामा.
वेरी गुड. अभी कौन सा फिल्म बताओ ये?
कम ऑन. कारवां.
कारवा. And who is this person dancing the song?
अरुणा ईरानी.
Very good. And उसके साथ में कौन है?
जितेंद्र.
अच्छा बताओ
क्या ये
जितेंद्र.
ट्रिविया पूरा है ट्रिविया.
हे नो स्पेसिफिकली नाउ बताओ जितेंद्र ने कौन सा कलर का कुर्ता पहना है?
कम ऑन. ये बहुत हो गया ये.
You don't know the answer? Oh.
अच्छा.
You don't know the answer?
White, I think white.
White? Impossible. White धोती पहना of course yes, लेकिन yellow color कुर्ता
वो
पहना है.
white shoes पहनते हैं. अच्छा ठीक है.
Yeah, by this time he was not wearing white man. He was actually very nice at this time. Later on 80s he became white person, right Faltrani?
हाँ.
He started going white in around 80s.
हाँ.
Very good.
Okay.
Congratulations. In fact, it's great to note that you actually are very specialized in this. Next time आपके लिए और थोड़ा difficult वाला question निकाल के रखूंगा मैं. Okay?
Okay.
Happy?
Thank you so
ये
much.
की गाना.
ओह, आपको और चाहिए?
अरे और चाहिए क्या? नहीं नहीं, डोंट वरी, अभी के लिए एक कॉल एक गाना, फिर से कॉल करो, दूसरा गाना आएगा आपके लिए, ठीक है? प्रॉमिस। ऑलराइट।
ठीक है, और you can call and help Bandus also, Deepa.
Hey Deepa, you should do that. You should help bandus like Meenakshi who get stuck on all the songs, right?
Yeah.
ठीक है?
Why Meenakshi? You called Meenakshi out. She also could guess, right?
Yeah, no, but she's saying like,
Yeah,
ठीक है,
yeah.
आज से fan mail भेजूंगी, she said.
हाँ, fan mail.
हाँ, I don't know why she's saying fan mail.
अरे वाह,
क्यों?
फैन मेल, हाँ वो भी पढ़ लेंगे हम लोग, लेकिन
सब
यहाँ पे
पढ़ेंगे।
कॉल करने का यार,
Yeah.
हमें आपसे
But
बात
दीपा,
करने
बहुत अच्छा लगा आपने कॉल किया, ऐसे कॉल करते रहो। We also feel nice, दीपा. What is this?
का। हाँ,
Yes.
and
Okay.
कल
अरे
की
मैं वही मैं बोल रही हूँ, 4:55 से ही मैं वेट कर रही हूँ show
So
का।
sweet
Oh,
of you.
so
Thank
sweet.
you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much. Thank you so much.
सुनते रहेगा, because very interesting feature coming up right now, Bajan, because you know COVID-19 shelter in place Faltoni has done lot of things.
Yeah.
It has done lot of things, मतलब affected many people's lives. फालतूनी,
हाँ,
क्या हुआ? तू इतना टेंशन में क्यों आज? क्या सब ठीक है ना?
सब ठीक है आलतू
क्या
बाबा।
हुआ? झगड़ा वड़ा करके आई क्या बैरिस्टर के साथ?
तेरे साथ झगड़ा करूँ अभी?
नहीं, बैरिस्टर के साथ झगड़ा करके आई क्या? तो कॉफी गर्म नहीं किया उसने ठीक तरह से?
नहीं, मैंने
तेरा
कॉफी नहीं लिया।
2% लाटे में क्या 1% आ गया था?
हाँ,
क्या हुआ? आलमंड के बदले में उसने क्या लगाया उसके?
आमंड लिंक मैं तो प्योर शुद्ध मिल्क,
हाँ, शुद्ध मिल्क के बदले में
100%
Probably-
homogenized organic whole milk.
अच्छा, by any chance did the barrister by mistake put oat milk instead of regular milk?
Why आलतू बाबा? You drink oat milk ना?
नहीं
How
तो
is it?
मस्त है फालतूनी, मस्त है।
Really?
नमस्कार, आपका हर फ्राइडे पैम पैम के फ्राइडे फिगर आउट द गाने में who's this? हेलो,
हेलो
हाय
पैम
पैम
Pam
पैम,
Pam, कौन है जी?
संदीप
संदीप यार,
संदीप जी, वाओ,
बड़े दिनों के बाद
हाँ नो,
हम बेवतनों को याद। फोन कॉल आई है,
आप
फोन कॉल
कैसे
आई
हैं?
है। हम फर्स्ट क्लास है। संदीप भाई कहाँ से कॉल कर रहे हो आज?
सैन होजे।
अरे वाह, लास्ट टाइम भी आप सैन से कॉल किया था ना?
हाँ?
या करेक्ट,
देखा?
हमेशा सैन होजे से ही कॉल करता हूँ।
अरे क्या लास्ट टाइम, क्या हमेशा?
क्या आपको इतना टाइम लगता है सैनोसे से निकलने के लिए?
क्या निकलने के लिए?
मतलब कार में ड्राइव कर रहे हो तो?
प्रॉब्ली ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं आज भी ना?
अच्छा,
आप
वैसे।
कार में कि घर पे? कहाँ पे हो?
घर पे हैं,
घर पे, वेरी गुड। तो आप हमारे
फेसबुक पे सुन रहे हैं।
वेरी गुड। तो फेसबुक सुन रहे फाल्तू, यू हैव अ नेक्स्ट चैलेंज फॉर हिम? अरे आज
अरे
तो फाल्तू के पास गाने ही गाने हैं, तो सुनो संदीप
क्यों
जी।
आलतू बाबा, तेरे पास नहीं है?
नहीं है फाल्तू, आज तो पूरा तेरा है यार फाल्तू।
Okay.
तू ना क्या?
अच्छा तो
अच्छा, बाय द वे, कॉशन, वर्ड ऑफ कॉशन संदीप जी, थोड़ा प्यार से ये करना, बिकॉज फाल्तू नहीं थोड़ा बैड मूड में है आज।
क्या व्हाट नॉनसेंस यार, कुछ भी बोलेगा संदीप जी, सॉरी यार, हमेशा मेरे बारे में हमेशा कुछ
अरे
ना कुछ
सॉरी,
बुराई करता
देखो
रहता है।
मिस्टेक किए तो ना, सॉरी उनको नहीं, मेरे को बोलना
आल्टो!
पड़ेगा। हाँ ठीक है चलो। सुनो संदीप जी, ये गाना आपके लिए, यू गॉट टू फिगर आउट व्हाट गाना इट इज, ठीक है?
ओके,
हियर यू गो। हाँ बताओ।
प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है,
हाय 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 हाय।
हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है।
वाह, कितने
वाह!
सुरीले से तरह से आपने गाया।
आई नो,
बट यू नो गाने का जो आप यू नो ट्यून प्रीटी मच, हाँ, बट आर यू श्योर दिस इज द आंसर?
आई थिंक सो।
नहीं सोचो, आर यू श्योर?
दीपा जी से पूछ लीजिए फोन कर।
नहीं दीपा जी, दीपा जी बहुत दूर है।
दीपा जी,
दीपा जी बहुत दूर है, मैं उनका राय लेता नहीं हूँ, पहाड़ बना के देता हूँ वापस। लेकिन आप ये बताइए, आप श्योर हैं? आर यू श्योर?
नाउ यू आर मेकिंग मी डाउट माई सेल्फ, बट आई थिंक आई वुड से आई एम श्योर।
संदीप जी, आर यू श्योर? मैं फिर से पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे, सोचो, आर यू श्योर?
सच
अरे
सच बोलो।
कैसे यार, इम्पॉसिबल यार,
इम्पॉसिबल संदीप जी।
you're संदीप, you're not sure.
गुड फादर,
फिर मुझे,
हाँ बोलो।
मेरे दोस्त मुझे प्यार से श्योर कहते हैं,
श्योर, ओ
Sure, आहा,
श्योर, वेरी गुड।
क्योंकि मैं
हम
जब गाता हूँ तो लगता है कि मैं श्योर कर रहा हूँ।
नहीं,
नहीं,
आपका
आप
आवाज बहुत स्वीट है। हमारे गीत का चल में प्लीज आइएगा आप, ओके?
हाँ, कल हमारा गीत गाता चल है,
हाँ।
तो जरूर उसमें शामिल हो जाइएगा, बिकॉज कल तो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल थीम है बेरिया बकबक में,
क्या रे?
यादों के बारे में बात
ओए
कर रहे हैं।
होए,
यादों की
यादों।
बारात निकलने वाली है हमारी
हाँ
ये बेरिया बकबक शो में।
वंडरफुल संदीप जी, बहुत मजा आया। आप सुनते रहेगा, बिकॉज वी हैव समथिंग वेरी स्पेशल कमिंग अप इन जस्ट अ फ्यू मिनट्स। उससे पहले गाना लगा के बाद भी जाएंगे। कड़ी दिख
चलो ठीक है, परफेक्ट मुंडो।
थैंक्स फॉर कॉलिंग संदीप जी, सुनते रहिएगा। एंड ऑफ कोर्स बच्चन सुनिए और गौर कीजिएगा, ये गाना जो हमारे दीपा जी फ्रॉम माउंटेन हाउस सही से गेस कर लिया था, जितेंद्र जी के ऊपर फिल्मा गया है गाना आशा पारेख कारवां फिल्म से।
चढ़ती जवानी मेरी ताल मस्तानी तूने कदर ना जानी रामा। चढ़ती जवानी मेरी ताल मस्तानी तूने कदर ना जानी रामा।
चढ़ती जवानी मेरी चाल मस्तानी तूने कदर ना जानी रामा। हाय रामा हाय रामा हाय रामा। उलझे काहे रे मैं हूँ सूरत में तुझसे बढ़ के कहीं। तेरी तो है जवां तो मैं भी सजीला कुछ कम नहीं हो। उलझे काहे रे मैं हूँ सूरत में तुझसे बढ़ के कहीं। तेरी तू है जवां तो मैं भी सजीला कुछ कम नहीं।
हाय दुनिया हुई रे मेरे प्यार में दीवानी लाखों की मैं दिल जानी रामा। चढ़ती जवानी मेरी ताल मस्तानी तूने कदर ना जानी रामा। वो कौन सी है जिसका है रूप ऐसा जादू भरा। तारे मैं भी तो देखूं तू जिसकी धुन में है बावरा। वो कौन ऐसी है जिसका है रूप ऐसा जादू भरा। तारे मैं भी तो देखूं तू जिसकी धुन में है बावरा।
हाय उसके कदम चुमे तेरी जवानी वो है शहर की रानी रामा। चढ़ते जवानी मेरी चाल मस्तानी तूने कदर ना जानी रामा।
हाय चढ़ती जवानी मेरी ताल मस्तानी तूने कदर ना जानी रामा। ओ रामा ओ रामा ओ रामा।
Alright, Banajan, that is the one. And yes, Abhi, आपके लिए Banajan, the next song will play. But why don't you give the next hint also, Fatwani?
नेक्स्ट हिंट दे दो।
Yeah, दे दो।
अरे अगर लोग मतलब
मतलब क्या? लोग मतलब क्या है तेरा?
हमारे बंधुज अगर शेर दिल होती तो अच्छा लगता ना।
अच्छा फाइन ठीक है बट स्टार्ट डायलिंग इन 4089122479 408912247 कॉल कीजिएगा बंधुजन एंड यू नो हिंट दे दो फालतू डजंट मैटर एक बार हिंट दे दो
चलो ठीक है थोड़ा बहुत डायलॉग का भी हिंट दे देते हैं और म्यूजिक का भी। हाँ
आई लाइक द वे डूइंग इट फादर डायलॉग भी आएगा अभी हां
हियर यू गो बंधुजन सुनिएगा
इंटरेस्टिंग
बताइएगा ये कौन सा गाना है।
मुबारक हो मिस चौधरी मुबारक हो आपको भी मुबारक हो थैंक यू ब्रह्मचारी आज एक ऐसा गीत सुना दो कि हमारी खुशी का ये लम्हा अमर हो जाए।
आप जानते हैं मैं मोहब्बत के गीत गाता हूँ और मोहब्बत के गीतों से कोई खुश होता है और कोई उदास।
हमारा दिल तो आज खुशी से झूम रहा है हमें आज कोई गीत उदास नहीं कर सकता। जिसका दिल दुखी है वही तुम्हारा गीत सुनकर उदास होगा। आओ रवि आज हम ब्रह्मचारी का गाना सुनकर अपनी खुशी दुनी कर ले।
Oh my God, was there a hint in the whole thing?
Yes, yes.
Oh no, there was actually a hint. When Banajan, right now, let me tell you, we are going to be getting into गाने पे जाएंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले, how about we do this Faltwani? Let's talk about very interesting event happening right now in Cupertino, हमारे neighborhood में. You know what is happening right now, Faltwani?
हाँ
बताना. Do you know?
एक ब्यूटीफुल सा इवेंट हो रहा है बंधुजन। You know a lot of our kids graduated, right?
Yes.
And many of them have finished school, even in in different parts of the Bay Area. Almost everybody. I think Cupertino was the last set of schools that was going to be closing out. I think as of last week, all of these kids graduated. But unfortunately, for year 2020, due to COVID-19, a lot of them were kind of cheated out of their graduation.
That's true.
Lekin, there are a set of parents who really didn't, and a particular school in Cupertino that didn't let up on that dream of graduation, especially, dekho, class of 2020, the ones who are going off to college, that's a different thing altogether. So the
Yes.
schools themselves are taking care of it.
Yeah.
Right? But what about the ones that are graduating from elementary school to middle school,
Yeah.
or middle school to high school? That's a huge step, right? Because as of this year, as of whatever, June 10th or June 8th,
Yeah.
their last few days वो बचपन के जो लम्हे थे वो खत्म हो गए उनके, मतलब you know they're getting into high school.
Yes.
तो एक ऐसा school है
And yes, school, but this I'll tell you more. In fact, what we have actually is a group of parents who come together to put this together for the children. And we have with us one of our bandhus, Kanchan ji, who's with us right now on air. Kanchan ji, namaste, kaise hain aap? Can you please say hello to us? Hi, Kanchan ji.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. I'm seeing a whole bunch of kids on the in front of the gate over there. But why don't you turn the camera towards yourself so we can see your beautiful face also? Hello.
Oh,
हाँ, there you go, Kanchan ji. कैसे हैं आप?
doing good. So today we are celebrating the graduation for our 8th grade students of middle school.
Okay.
And as you can see, we have the families coming to the school, taking the pictures.
Oh,
and
wow.
then the car parade.
कार परेड, wow. तो कंचन जी,
You're maintaining social distancing, I hope, right?
Yes, yes. As you can see, our volunteers wearing the mask and managing the crowd. And we have 250 families of our students who are coming in, and our parade is going from 1:30 to 5:30 today.
wow.
Wow. In fact, right now we caught people at the right time, so we're going to have some of our kids also just for their teachers. Isn't that right, Kanchan ji?
Yes. So we want to thank our principal, our teachers, and administration staff. And a big shout out to all the parent volunteers and our parent community. And many congratulations and best wishes to our 8th grade students who are now going to be going this fall into the high school. And thank you so much for having us on air.
Oh, wonderful.
Thank you.
In fact, I really appreciate the fact that parents are getting together, Fadwani, and still
Yeah.
giving that experience for children.
Exactly.
Graduating from one level to next level. Middle school to high school is a wonderful transition. Fadwani.
You know, and we are so happy that you've included us in your kids' graduation. Thank you so much, Kanchan ji. It means so much to us.
Yeah.
कि हमारे बंधुस हमें it was so heartwarming for us to know that they wanted us involved in their graduation.
That's true.
So that's the reason. Unfortunately, we could not be there and do a live show from there.
Yeah.
But we're so happy, and congratulations to all the darling 8th graders who are moving on to 9th grade.
Yeah.
All the very best in life.
Don't
And
worry, this will be a very memorable moment for you guys because COVID-19 is going to be only in your history. No, everybody's history actually. But you went through it. You got through it, you know. That's what I say. I got a wonderful song playing dedicated for them. Kanchan ji, with your permission, I want to play a song for them. And we also have some wonderful, messages from the students of the particular school.
Wow. So let's go on and listen to it.
Kanchan ji,
Azura.
thank you so much. Please make sure you give us good footage of all the kids out there because we're going to start the messages for the children also. All right?
Right, exactly. So let's listen.
Hello, I'm Aditri Sharma. The teachers I would like to thank are Miss Lubu and Miss Lu. They both helped to shape me into the person I am today. My favorite memory from Miller Middle School was definitely winning the highest ranked unanimous superior at the California Music Educators Association, or CMEA Band Festival. This was great because it was my band teacher's last year at the school, after teaching for many years, and it was very special to honor her legacy in that way. Thank you!
Hi, my name is Anish Lakapragada. I had the privilege this year of going to Miller Middle School for 3 years and experiencing the wonderful classes and teachers the school has to offer. I would like to thank Mr. Arnold and Mr. Jezik as both taught me a lot about life lessons and skills versus, traditionally just focusing on the curriculum of the class. Also, I'd like to thank the administration and the staff because they created such a supportive environment where you can make mistakes and learn from them at Miller. So thank you for helping me understand right from wrong.
I'm Chitrani, and my favorite memory at Miller was when I joined the softball team. I made many new friendships and strong bonds with my teammates. I also enjoyed Miller Night at Lynbrook when the advanced band performed at a football game. Overall, my time at Miller was very memorable. A big thanks to all my teachers and friends for their support and kindness.
Thank you to all the staff at Miller for being so amazing and helping me better myself. I would especially like to thank Mr. Yosh for coaching our girls basketball team and making us develop as better team players. I also really loved the leadership class here as it was such a great opportunity to work with and meet many new people to help plan events for our school. Overall, I really enjoyed my past 3 years at Miller and would like to thank everyone who made that possible. Go Mustangs!
This is Sahana. The last 3 years I've had at Miller have been very enjoyable. I especially liked all the memories made during brunch and lunch and all the elective classes I have taken over the years.
Hi, my name is Sakis Penamudi and I just graduated from Miller. So one of my favorite teachers from when I was at Miller was my 7th grade language arts teacher, who was Miss Emerson. The reason that I liked her was because she was funny, she taught really well, and she always knew how to interact and have fun with the class. She also had really good, fun projects and assignments for us to do always. As for my favorite memory from Miller, I have a lot that I could talk about, but in general, one thing that encapsulates all of them was getting to make new friends and have fun with more people.
Hi, I'm Sanchita. We are celebrating Miller 8th grade promotion event. I really want to thank all the parent volunteers for doing this. I'm also proud to say that my mom, Akila Vardarajan, is one of the main organizers for this event to make this happen during the COVID times. At this point, I want to give a big shout out to our principal, Ms. Steele, and all the Miller teachers and staff. Have a great summer. Thank you.
Oh my God, such sweet message from all the kids out there. And yes, Bandajan, this actually is happening right here in our neighborhood right here. And do we still have Kanchanji on with us? I don't know if she's still there on the phone with us. Well, Bandajan, you also could see the video of what was happening over there. Thank you so much, Kanchanji, for actually coming on. Are you there with us? Yes, I can see the video right now. Kanchanji, hello?
Yeah, I'm here. So thank you so much. I really, thank you guys for encouraging our students and wishing us today. It means it's a very great memory for them.
Yes, it is. And of course, it's also a great memory for us that we were able to be part of this particular batch.
Yeah.
They are middle schoolers, so they're going to be high school for some more time. So I think we'll get to talk to them again after some time, right, Patwari?
Yes. We would love to speak with all of you, Kanchanji, and thank you for including us in this. So are the cars driving by? Is that the way it's working, that every graduate is driving by and they get off and then they take a picture? Is that what you're doing? For Bandhus who are listening to us on the radio, you can actually, if you're not driving, you can actually watch it on Facebook. There's a beautiful video that we're showing. This is like live coverage happening right from there.
Yeah.
The cars are all pulled up and they're all dressed up too.
Yeah,
so
isn't
cute.
that sweet? Yeah, it's so nice. And the kids coming up with their parents, dropping them and maintaining physical distance. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
That's so nice. Very well planned, I must say, Kanchanji. Is it for all the kids of the 8th grade?
Yes, this is the 8th grade complete class, and I'm very happy to let you know this is all by the parent community. I want to give a big shout out to our main coordinator Akila and then Sonia and so many other volunteers. As you can see, the volunteers are moving the traffic and then coordinating all the photos. And as these families are coming in, they're taking pictures and then they will be joining the car parade route, where along the way, our community will be coming out to clap and cheer for them.
Wonderful. There you go. And we all are cheering for this group. In fact, I can see right now, I'm actually, Father, we are right now live with the place. And look at how beautifully they maintain the physical distancing. That's something that's wonderful. That's responsibility, I suppose.
No, I think it's also the fact that forget about just the physical distancing part. You're not letting anything get in the way of a celebration of one of the most momentous occasions. I mean, I'm sure a lot of these kids were really looking forward to going into high school.
Yeah.
As they grow into young men and women, I think it's incredible that you guys decided to do this even for this particular class.
Yes.
Of course, it was wonderful. Whose idea was it to include Radio Hotties in your planning?
So that was my idea because I have been listening to your show and I have attended some of your events in previous years.
Oh.
So I thought I will reach out to you and this will create a nice memory for our parents and children as well.
Yes, and of course, people listening right now, please do feel free if you want to message something on our Facebook page, send a kind of encouraging message to all the youngsters.
Yeah.
It's a very different lifestyle. You know, I think people when I was a kid, I looked forward for the graduation. It's the biggest event for me.
Yeah.
But COVID has changed it. But these parents have come together and they made sure they give them an experience.
Yeah.
And I really want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts, Kanchanji, and all the parents, including the person who was the main coordinator, Akila ji, as well, for making sure that you guys gave them the experience in their life. Thank you so much for that.
Absolutely, and congratulations. Good luck to all of them and all of you. If there's any final shout out that you want to do before you go.
So wish you all the best, all our 8th grade students, and you will all achieve everything you want in life. Go Mustangs!
Go Mustangs!
All right.
Hey, we can't take sides to all these things.
Yeah.
Can we? We can. I don't mind. Go Mustangs! So what?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. The sports events now are being called off anyways. But still, we can have the cheer, right? We can have the the spirit.
Absolutely. Congratulations again, and thank you so much for joining us on this momentous occasion. Thank you so much for including us in your celebration as well, Kanchanji. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much, guys.
All right.
Thank you. Have a wonderful evening.
That's right, Banajan. Hari bazi ko jeetna inko aata hai, kyunki that's what they did. The parents made the best of it, and they decided that they're going to celebrate even in the middle of sheltering in place.
Isn't that wonderful? I think thank you so much. And Pandus, that's exactly what we keep telling you guys. If at all you are doing something unique in the community and you want us to actually talk about it, we love talking about this and getting awareness for the community. Hamara existence jo hai na is all based on that itself, Banajan, that you guys are doing something and we want to spend time with you guys.
Right.
Fadrani, that is, oh my God, it feels really nice looking at all the wonderful kids going there, taking the photographs. I also want to do that, Fadrani. Can we do it in our studio also?
We should. Actually, I'm thinking we should do it for all our senior allies.
That's a wonderful idea. I say thought na, tere ko na kabhi kabha kitna suddenly aa jata na. That's when you're very happy, when you're angry, it doesn't come to you anyways. But Fadrani is a much better. Oh, she rolled the eyes. Everybody can see Fadrani. Oh my God.
It's okay.
Video pe dekhega Banajan, Fadrani is like rolling eyes on video.
Yeah,
That's
so about
sweet.
this,
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah,
But
you've been busy because you've been on the show and you're coordinating this. I've been coordinating something else that's going on. And it's just sometimes in life,
Doesn't
Banajan,
matter.
call in, I want to talk to you and feel good. And I'm
Fadrani-
so happy that my Pragna session's coming up.
Yeah, Father, don't worry. Whenever you feel down, that way, look at my smiling face and you'll automatically feel good. Well, Banajan, right now let's jump back to Figure Out the Gala Fridays.
Yeah.
And Figure Out the Gala Fridays, babe, we actually gave out one more challenge to our bandhus, correct?
I gave a clue, but you cut it off with the dialogue.
Did I?
Yes.
No, re.
So kaan laga ke dhyan suniyega. This is the dialogue, Banajan, and you have to tell us what song comes after this.
क्या बात है मुबारकबाद नहीं दोगे मुबारक हो मिस चौधरी मुबारक हो आपको भी मुबारक हो थैंक यू बनकर आज एक ऐसा गीत सुना दो कि हमारी खुशी का ये लम्हा अमर हो जाए
आप जानते हैं मैं मोहब्बत के गीत गाता हूँ और मोहब्बत के गीतों से कोई खुश होता है और कोई उदास
हमारा दिल तो आज खुशी से झूम रहा है हमें आज कोई गीत उदास नहीं कर सकता
Not even Yesudas?
जिसका दिल दुखी है वही तुम्हारा गीत सुनकर उदास होगा आओ रवि आज हम ब्रह्मचारी का गाना सुनकर अपनी खुशी दूनी कर ले
अभी गाने का बिट आएगा मतलब the music will come right now. Huh? Is it a happy song, Fadrani? Sad song?
तुम्हारी आइटम का वक्त हो गया
Item.
हेलो हेलो हेलो
हेलो क्या
Wow, Fadrani, I know this song. Where Madhu waiting? Let's go to them, please. Namaskar, आपका हर्ष वाले Pam Pam के Figure Out the Gala Fridays में who's this? Hello.
कौन है जी?
Pam Pam. विशाल जी कैसे हैं आप?
बहुत बढ़िया, very nice. A big shout out to 8 Raiders.
Raiders?
You did it.
Hey, hello.
Yeah.
That was not Raiders.
Mustangs.
8 Raiders, your graduation event.
Sorry,
you
8
covered,
it is
right?
8 Raiders.
Oh, we heard it as
8
Raiders. Sorry.
Yeah. What a nice live coverage, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
exactly what we push
I
limits
mean,
of radio.
बताओ क्या technology है, right? I mean, radio पे live coverage.
I know. Can you imagine live video coverage of radio?
Live video
Yeah,
में दिया।
video.
हाँ।
Yeah.
Radio पे video.
And we have to tell, we got to say thanks to the people actually in the IT industry who are all you guys, of course.
Yeah, I missed it. I was driving. I'm still driving.
Yeah. But we had a nice view of all the kids coming and taking photographs. But अभी ये बताओ ये गाना, don't change topic right now. आपको बोला पड़ेगा ये गाना कौन सा है? Figure out क्या?
जब I didn't know that you are going to start that, तो पहले जब बजाया था bit the dialogue, I thought it's Pam Pam show के चर्चे हर जुबान पर, but that's not the song.
No, it's not.
It's a different song.
You want?
It's a different song.
हाँ तो बताओ.
It's a song called मुझको बैठा यादों को तेरी मैं दुल्हन बनाकर रखूंगा मैं दिल के पास, मत हो मेरी जा उदास.
Very good. Congratulations, you're 100% right.
Thank you.
Wonderful. तो सुनते रहेगा, आपके लिए गाना डेफिनेटली बजाएंगे. ये मोहब्बत से गाना, कुछ लोगों के लिए दुख होगा, कुछ लोगों के लिए खुशी होगी.
Thank you.
But anyway, totally that was a very angry song, if you ask me.
क्यों गुस्सा किसके लिए दुखी होगी?
Some people feel sad, I believe. That's what dialogue में बताया ना.
डायलॉग में बोला ना कि मोहब्बत, मैं सिर्फ मोहब्बत के गाने गाता हूँ और कभी कभार मोहब्बत कुछ लोगों के लिए खुशी देगा, कुछ लोगों के लिए दुख.
And और वो she put some more चाकू there. इस बैचलर के गाने सुनते हैं लोग.
No, his name is Brahmachari.
हाँ, it's Brahmachari. I know.
Yeah, his name is Brahmachari.
I know.
Name is also Brahmachari.
Very true.
And I think यहाँ पे जो ब्रह्मचारी है वो दुखी होगा, है?
हाँ.
मालूम नहीं, जब पर होंगे वो दुखी होंगे probably.
हाँ, तो वो कहती है ना, हम तो बहुत खुश है, लेकिन जिसके दिल में खोट है या कुछ ऐसा बोलती है, right? What does she say? She says something.
She gives him a what do you call that?
हाँ.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Side swap. Yeah, very good though. But congratulations, you're 100% right. आप सुनते रहेगा. Next time definitely सुनिएगा because we have Anmol Nabe coming up with Meena Kumari part 2. Right, okay?
Looking forward to it.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
And Fazrani,
हाँ.
हमारे पास दो गाने बजाने के लिए.
हाँ.
एक तो बजा दो.
एक चलो ठीक है, कौन सा बजाऊं? चलो क्या लगाया था मैंने? I forgot what song it was. Okay, ये वाला ना?
हाँ.
ये लगाया था?
Yeah.
Okay. So कान लगा के ध्यान से सुनिएगा मुझे. Beautiful गाना from the movie कटी पतंग.
Hey, ये थोड़ी लगाया तुमने? हाँ लगाया था? हाँ था. राजेश खन्ना पे फिल्म का प्रोडक्शन.
संदीप जी ने आइडेंटिफाई किया इस गाने को.
प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है. प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है. क्षमा कहे परवाने से परे चला जा, मेरी तरह जल जाएगा यहाँ नहीं आ. क्षमा कहे परवाने से परे चला जा, मेरी तरह जल जाएगा यहाँ नहीं आ. नहीं सुनता उसको जल जाना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है. प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है. रहे कोई 100 पर्दों में डरे शर्म से, नजर हजीला चुराए कोई सनम से, रहे कोई 100 पर्दों में डरे शर्म से, नजर हजीला चुराए कोई सनम से।
हा फातरनी, ये भी तो है सैड सॉन्ग, राइट? नो, इट्स नॉट।
No, it is not. It's a very cute song actually. मैं जहाँ पे वो बोल रहा है कि
हाँ, ब्रह्मचारी का वो है डायलॉग है ना, कुछ लोगों के लिए सैड सॉन्ग है, कुछ लोगों के लिए हैप्पी सॉन्ग रहेगा।
मेरे दिमाग में पता नहीं सिर्फ पियानो वाले गाने आ रहे थे आज।
पियानो वाले मतलब हाँ, पियानो जनरली फातरनी is relates to anger.
क्या?
People are angry will go bang 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 on a piano. So you got to control that, Fatrani. Come on. Please don't go through a drive-through which you went to today, okay? Please.
क्या?
वो Starbucks के पास मत जाओ तो अभी. No more, no longer. Probably the barista gave you a drink which is very, very making you angry.
Well, Banjan, there's nothing like that. ये आलतू खामखा कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे मतलब ड्रामा क्रिएट करता रहेगा। खुद
ड्रामा नहीं, excuse me, ड्रामा नहीं, स्टोरी था, अखवा था।
हाँ.
Okay, so what? It's not drama, all right?
अखवा खुद बोलता है, झूठ बोलता है, shameless।
अखवा।
Anyway, Banjan, हमारा वक्त हो चला है। We'll be back in the next hour with महिमा के अनमोल नगमे. A beautiful episode number 2 of Meena Kumari being brought to you by R. Aradhana Sharma ji. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere.